President Manuel Quezon. The lyrics are based on a poem by Jose Corazon de Jesus. Enmeshed in the song are the yearnings of people colonized for over 400 years, first as a colony of Spain and then as a colony of United States. Because man likened the motherland to a bird set free, the land returned to the rightful people, the true heirs of the islands. Foreigners are intoxicated with your beauty, my country, my nest of tears of poverty. My steadfast is to set you free. Ladies and gentlemen, our ballad dancers, and thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Roy Regina
Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kanyang pala, nag-alay na ganda dila, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay naadina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita, aking adhika, makita kang sakdal laya. Bayan pa kayang sakdal